basically, yeah, I've coded a lot of it, and we have run server multiple times, and most probably now it can stand a bit on its feet. I'll show you a few things that I was able to do, for which firstly I will just close my local host. Yeah, what? Okay, guys kind of run away all the time. I'm not invited anywhere, as always. It's really funny. When you yeah, so there was this command, yeah, I just started. This thing starts, right? And actually, the thing I want to check here is, yeah, FFmpeg true, select true, and let's say I went to true, and then I went to my local host, which is KIRCHOF for now. So I can just not this one, I'll take some other. Yeah, I can go for this thing, and I can go copy this. So I just sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard interface, which by the way yesterday we made it, right? And which I pasted my YouTube link in here. Reroll I increase to 10, post roll I increase to 20, change scan, right? So it has completed this thing, and if I click on this, it opens editor. Here I can go and type my keyword project. It will highlight wherever I have talked about project. Then take select all, and I can literally play it. All project which I wanted to make, because I am not very regularly available. Um, yeah, and then I can even play this one and this one and this one. Let's see if we can export these, right? There are 14 clips, so obviously I don't have 14 clips in one video. 11, I'll just reduce some of it for a test. Alright, we just need it for a test. So can be 8, 7, 5, 4 clips. Good enough to check. So export has started. Waiting for the files. I'll see if I can get like this. I have to also test that if it gets me with separated clips. So if I spoke it across different live streams, then I can save separate clips, and then if I want I can launch them in parts and stuff like that. Now the thing is, YouTube lets you do that without having to download the video. You can cut the highlights and stuff. Why am I doing this? Is I can't like you know combine different sections in YouTube. Like I can't do a certain section. But now, so you see, web development programming tips with these two guys spaces. What are you doing, purpose? Like why? How is this relevant? I don't know. So download ready. Okay. Where do I? Oh, I have downloaded something. Oh, let me just check. So there should be basically four cuts. Continue. Just play this. Okay. Nothing has been loaded. Project which I wanted to make because I am not very regularly available, right, to search keyword. Let's say project one, so it find moments where I have discussed about project one and clips around that. Second feature would be about project one. Let's say I have not talked in the same order, but I still. Okay, so I saw three cuts, so visibly three cuts. I don't know. Uh, Maybe it was like very close, so I don't see the cut in between. But yeah, and if I just say separate clips and I go for export now, then I have to check whether um, you know, now I just separate clips. Export started, waiting for files. Okay, nice. Let's see if they'll have more files in here. Basically, the thing is working. Now we do the magical parts, right? So base of all of this is working. We need to do the magical parts, right? Oh, I get the links. Nice. Which obviously I understand now. If I click them, I can simply download them, right? So yes, Kirchhoff version 1 is officially done. Great. I am very happy with this. I'll just put it in here. Great. Kirchhoff version 1 is on board. Love it. I'll just even enter it here. Kirchhoff. New one is on board. It's a good thing. Okay, I even forgot to tell one of the other helping things here. I'll just tell it to this as well. Let it load the chats. I want to say a lot about this thing, but I'll just control for now. Focusing back to the good part. Kirchhoff is working. Yeah, Kirchhoff version 1 is on board. It works. Log to grab stream to edit and combine search context, keywords, and export it. ChatGPT usual stuff. Now system hardening or stabilize pass. Add proper handling override rate limits, segment merge projection, user experience, confirm positioning decisions. KIRCHOF light publicly limit export length to 10 minutes total. No API access. Keep the advanced editor internally that public sees polish. You keep the leverage. Hmm. Branded ecosystem. No, no, no. I agree with this. From cool tool to reliable system. Uh, Simply reduce thinking, keep the aesthetic, simplify mental load, positioning decision. I want to stitch again. Reason, I'll let you know. So now I want to go to an entire overhaul, right? I just will go to Kirchhoff and just delete all these images, right? Great. Now I need a 3x. No, I don't know. 3x color theme. Seems I can create a design system. System and save the design system. I say create. Just leave it like that. And I'll show you something. See, uh, yeah. So this is like my wallpaper. This is Verbosa. It's a live wallpaper, but it is a utility wallpaper as I showed you yesterday. And there are updates to this. Now these texts are readable, and I can actually load files if I save them. But usually I wouldn't save them. This will work like a quick board, and so I'll not have to. Firstly, see, I'll not have to open whiteboard. Right? I can make direct flow charts. I can take notes. Okay. Oh, so I'll just stop speaking because something has suddenly stopped with the whole thing. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I'm still streaming, thank God. Uh, it's fine here. Obviously, it is going to be fine here. We need a better UI interface. I need a user interface overall. Obviously, how I'll just get my wallpaper back on the main. Okay, so there are a lot of things. Yeah, I have Olama. I showed you Olama. I have done this thing is like the coolest CMD app I've ever seen. It's really nice, and just just for a small thing that I want. Uh, See, the initial design for KIRCHOF was really good. I will not deny that, but it can't do what Verbosa can. It just can't do what Verbosa can. So that's one purpose. Okay, so this entire thing isn't working. Nice. I'll just close it for now. I'll just say this overall. We need a login page. Then we need a login page, a link feature, link fetcher page. A proper video editing interface with this is my left, right, with transcript keyword. We call things dialogue or so I want the tool to be here. Oh yeah, we call it tool. On the left, tool tab on the left. Cannot combine timeline on the bottom. Preview window, preview playback, back window, Philips dashboard with timestamps, a subtitle button, export button, under must, export menu with options for full video export, separate clips, export, file name, file size, file size, file thumbnail, file thumbnail. For a style guide and reference, also added an image. I need scan lines, digital textures, readable and visible buttons, visible layouts and compositions. By bento boxes, no unnecessary text or elements, use phosphor icons. I'm mentioning like everything that comes to my mind, and for colors, go for black, white, soft red, soft blue, soft yellow as a theme, as a primary theme. For colors and secondary colors, choose contrasting colors, like from coding ID. Color theme, you get that. I guess I have a screenshot of Verbosa. I have a screenshot of Verbosa. No. It was two before the whole thing. Where is this one? Actually, if I go to my Explorer, by the way, I have to customize the PC as much as I can because at this point it is really not there. If we talk about customization, was our HTML and I can just open it with Google Chrome for now. So screens like this, whole interface, and I just click it. UI reference strictly towards Verbosa image. Project name KIRCHOF. It is a video reference image. No need to mention the word in this UI. So basically then I will just go to anti-gravity and there is this stitch.kirchhoff, right? I will get rid of this to recycle, yeah, and I'll add the new user interface files once I get from here, and then I'll be ready to go. Like, I won't deploy it yet because my website has not been made, and I'm not hosting a website from some kind of server. So uh, technically, it doesn't make sense for me to make the project live. But I can just ask a few things to the code base, and it should be good. But first, we'll just import the design. Oh my god. Made some designs with CLC. Oh, hey, this looks good, right? System access. Neural highlight engine version 2.4. What? Expand, fetch, click archive. Right. System status. Archive. Here comes our editor. Let me just check. Oopsie. Nice. Save as template. Why will I save as template? Highlight final. Yeah. We have a preview window. Transcript. Whoa. So it is mistaking one thing. Edit. Yeah. So here transcript keyword 2 is a full transcript. of the stream on the right side where we have export config comes the actual selected clip transcripts keyword code. So needs repositioning and creation of a new tool on the left as mentioned. Export is an separate page entirely. See, as I said, this thing and this thing is like of no use, right? Okay, I dragged it at places I should have. But anyway, this will go. I will just see in your screen. Just check out on this. Yeah, nobody see it. Understandable. The what can I expect? What can I expect? By the way, the school wallpaper is really cool. So as when I said I can like make flowcharts, I meant this, and I can like literally do all the typing and stuff. Right? Maybe I've showed it in the last video. I don't know, but like this is like the final good version that I have, and then we have this thing. It's not bad, and I can literally type. Abby is very ignorant sometimes. Sometimes I know the font is not really visible and all, but I like the aesthetic and it's just for a referral, so I can. It's for me. It's not for you. If I can understand, then it works, right? The thing is that the purpose of the wallpaper was that, but when it comes to this thing, right? Everyone should understand. So that is the whole idea. Keyword selector. Okay, this is not what I meant. Well, it is bad, obviously, but because I've started it in this, right? I would want to end it in this only, so I'll just wait. Or if I can like add wireframes and stuff, so I'll draw and then show it using MS Paint. That's easy. So I didn't do wireframe. Quite a silly mistake, isn't it? Like if I have wireframes, my own work, then this thing would have not been such a big deal at all. Now, subtitle style nice, and it's completely wrong. So I'll just go to, I don't know, I just go to simply YouTube Studio. Is my password being leaked at this point? No, it is not. Content detection. No. I go to content. I go to live. And while that thing is going on, I go to clips, create a video clip, and see, these are the features that YouTube provides, right? Doesn't provide me with an editor and stuff. Well, although I can like drag and all, but I don't think I can like get multiple parts from it, right? So left reference, this is reference on the left side. Is provided. On the right, upper section has selected transcripts and from with the search keyword to scripts and lower section for simple subtitles. Right column. Let me discuss that, and then I want to discuss about okay. Great. So I like this part. Right. I like this part. The only part that is not useful to me is this right now. So I have to just allow it to make new stuff. And till that time, I'll just check out my own stream if it's all going great. Actually, I have changed this thing as well. I get a notification. Uh, Bruh. I don't really care. People don't really understand marketing in this country. This video is right. It's blog, right? No worries. They'll claim everything they want. It's not like I got views and stuff. And I'll just check my stream. Country. This video is right. It's blog, right? No worries. They'll claim everything they want. It's not like I got views and stuff. And I'll just check my stream. Country. This video is right. It's blog, right? Okay. It's fine. I'm doing good enough. Okay, I am not supposed to do this. Ah, uh, okay. Whew. This is AI. Right? Nobody likes this. I wouldn't click on this. It's clearly AI. This is still human made a little at this point. This one perfectly clickable. Like, even if this is AI, this works. Uh, this is again human made. I'll click on that. Uh, I don't know who this guy is. I don't know. I hope you're not gaslighting people on the name of this thing, like, exactly like how our government does. People are so fond of walks for some reason. I will. Okay, no problem. Understandable. Okay. Hey, this guy came here. Crazy. What? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, buddy. Sorry. I do understand he has only 9 rupees, but doesn't matter. This one was really good actually. Um, I don't want to see this. Okay. I want to watch that. Did make something. I did make something. Wait. Let's look at this. And By the way, today has marked exactly 2 weeks, so we'll be starting for third week. And because KIRCHOF is also on good, I mean, before sleeping today at least, I'll have something that is working, which also means that by tomorrow, by tomorrow or day after, I'll have a full working app called KIRCHOF, which I will just I can open my PowerShell and run locally easily, and it pretty much does the job. Or I can try and package it in a way and find a way to make it in a way, make it so that you can run a command in your command prompt, download it from anywhere you are in the world. Let's say it's on my drive, the file or the setup file. Simply you run a command on a computer anywhere from the world, the file gets received directly to you, and the app gets installed, and you click on it, and you know this thing. What do I say? You log in and you paste your own links, run it locally, and done. I mean, oh, hell no! Can I do that? Or if I upload this on Git repository, GitHub, maybe I can do that as well. Shit, no. Damn. I didn't think of that. I was just gonna work. Please try again. Try again. It's already 1, and as usual, nobody in here. Yeah, people got too busy, I see. Uh, I want to play. By the way, I'll also make a Discord server, so if you wanna drop by and anybody who wants like talk, or if I have a combined stream with someone else, then it'll really be a good thing to have. This is great. Anyhow, because nobody is here, I'll just you don't wait too long if people don't care. Right? You shouldn't be at that place where it doesn't matter what happens. See, I do all these bullshit stuff. I'll just check the video once again. Project which I wanted to make because I am not very regularly available, right? To search keyword, let's say project 1, so it find moments where I have discussed about project 1 and clips around that. Second feature would be about project 1. Let's say I have not talked in the same order, but I still see. Okay, maybe it's this. Is it this? No, this isn't that. Where is the interface? Where is it? Here. Where is it? Why am I in this? Why am I in this? Uh, um, it didn't do a thing. I gave you annotations. I gave you all annotations and so not change the mode. This part is like really boring, you know. If this thing does everything, I don't I don't feel like working. I just want to just get away and sleep, which is like really. By the way, I need to find someone who prints this kind of thing on a huge scale. Scale in the sense, not this in quantity. I'm thinking to like do a shipping thing for printing UVDTF and cardboards and stuff. So that thing was also considering a Zepto packaging while at work, but then I started getting freelance work a little. I was like, nah, I'm good. Like, nah, I'm good. And but the Zepto one pays more, but it's like first I'll have to pay for some training period and then the actual work starts. And uh, looking at the gig workers' conditions in this place, I am a little this thing because I might get less money with the freelance thing at the stage I am, but the work is respectable, and if it turns out to be a good video, then I'll have it on my portfolio as well. Zepto for packaging, where will I put on my portfolio, right? That is also a thing. Oh, I have a new skill. No, I don't have a new skill. Why don't I have? Who's going to video? Yeah, Cheese posters. Ouch. Oh, now this is very close to mine. See, I was born in 2007, right? So I'm 19 right now. By the time I graduate, I'll be 20. So if at all, I'm very close to making history multiple times. But I want a proper, proper stock industries thing, right? See. Hmm. Oh, we can do one thing. We can save this. Like it's really number. Okay, so what happened? Okay, that's obviously this thing. We go in here and share from union district. Okay.
Okay, so I'm guessing it either worked flawlessly or failed miserably for you. Overall, it's very buggy, it doesn't work on mobile, and YouTube definitely did not intend for subtitles to be used in this way. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to accomplish this very basic drawing app in YouTube. But before we even jump into how this is possible, I need to take you back a few months to the video that started it all. It was just a normal day.
So like I just want to say one very simple thing. If AI keeps taking over, right, people are going to sleep at work because it's very boring. Although the thing works, yeah, but the motivation to do it and the energy and stuff, even if you get money, and it's really boring at this point, right? And if I were to iterate something, then it is more frustrating. So yeah, yeah, human replacement and I have no clear idea at this point. If this thing gets finished, it's just go for once and sleep, simply sleep. I'm like almost out. I'll pass out anytime soon. Better than fast, buddy. Okay. Yeah, we do the usual thing. Oh yeah, the previous video as well. I paste a link. This is the one so basically scan complete. Okay, now back. This was This one is a different editor. Yeah, but I like the whole thing, but I know it works this way. So today we got the tool running completely. There are a few user experience changes which I would obviously perform. Uh, Mostly, maybe if it completes off camera, it does the work already. So I wouldn't care much to show. I'll show you the final product on the stream, and then we'll move to the other projects which we were concerned in the previous initial thing. Or maybe I'll spend one stream only making multiple shots to upload, so like there is a proper context and story for whatever is happening on the channel. It'll be great. It'll be great. So yeah, um uh, it's, that's it for today, and bye.